Hello, today I will show my project for week 3. Okay, we can see this is an API dedicated to store books and authors. We can see that we have been following an MVC structure. Okay, we have our .env file with our sensitive information, our git ignore, and the rest of files. Right now we're going to focus on the testing one. Right now we can see that our application is live on render.com. We can see this. We're going to check the API docs. Okay, we can see that it is running. So we will start testing it. We can pull up all of the authors that we have available. If you can see here, we can have the information, the same as what we have in our MongoDB. Like here in authors. Okay, in MongoDB we have our two collections, one for authors and the other one for books. Okay. All right, next one, we're going to post. We're going to create a new author. Try it out. Okay, we will use our testing file to get information for a new author. First, we're going to have to test our validation. We're going to submit an empty file for the first name. We're going to try to execute. We got an error, response status 400. First name is required, so we can see that the validation is working. So now we are going to try to paste or try to add our new author. We click on execute, and we can see that it is already added. We're going to verify this in our authors database collection, and we can see that we have it here. It's a new author. Okay. Perfect. Now we are going to try to update this author. For this, we're going to require the ID for the new author. We're going to pull it from here. All right. Okay, the author ID is this one. Perfect. Sorry, this is to get the author ID, so we can see it is working. Now we're going to try to update this one. Okay, we're going to try to update this. Okay, we got an error as well because the first name is required. Okay, so once again, oh, I'm sorry. We're going to add here test. Perfect. We're going to execute. Okay, we got an error here, a 500 response. Okay, we need to actually take this out. Okay, we need to try again. And we can see now that the author has been updated. Perfect. Let's check it out here. And yes, it is updated. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to skip this one for later. We're going to get all of our books information. Okay, we have them all here. Perfect. We're going to create a new book. Try it out. We're going to delete this. And also we're going to skip the title to see if validation works. And we got an error because we need a title. So now we're going to try to add the correct information for a new book. Perfect. Here we're going to replace with the ID for the author that we just created. We're going to copy it from here. Okay, let's try it out. And we can see that now our book was created. We're going to verify it here. And yes, this is the book that was just created. Perfect. Now we're going to copy the ID for this book. Okay, try to get the book by its own ID. Perfect, we get it. Okay, we're going to try to update this. Perfect. Um, Actually, let's try to get this information here. We're going to put it here. We're going to as well delete the title. Let's see what happens. We got an error, 400 error, because the title is required. Okay, we're going to change the title for test book. Execute. And we can see it was successful. Test book. Let's see it here. I'm sorry. Okay. We're going to try to refresh this. Okay, finally we have it reflected here, test book. Perfect. Now we're going to try to delete the author. This is the author that we created for testing. Let me just verify it here. Yes. Okay. So we're going to try to delete this one. We got an error because this author has books and cannot be deleted. Delete the books first. Perfect. So that is a way of validation. We're going to delete the book first. We copy the ID. The book has been successfully deleted. And now we're going to try to delete our author. The author has been successfully deleted. Let's see if it reflects in MongoDB. Okay, we no longer have the author here, and we no longer have the book here. So this is it. Thank you for watching.